everybody. So I sound congested. I will talk about that later, but here we are with the nail tutorial. Now I'm going to do like a so-called press-ons, quote unquote. I'm using the Ecbasket nails here, and I purchased this from Amazon, so I will be using these. And I will also be using a nail filer, as you guys can see here, and I also will be using these to do the nail art and to clean up. And then I will be using my little nail drill bit here, or what have you, a portable one. And this is the Ecbasket nail glue. Okay, and it's the Beetles top coat and the base coat. Okay. And these are the other Beetles nail gel polishes that I will be using. And I also will be using some alcohol. You won't see it in this video, but I'm also using the olive oil as well, and some cotton rounds. It's not in the video, but yeah. And of course the UV lights, you will need this to help with the drying of your nails. Okay, so I did some of the nails already, as you guys can see here, and I did use alcohol. I did prep my nails prior to, so I prepped my natural nails prior to, and that's what you're supposed to do. Also, if you want to use 100% acetone, you can as well. Alright, so I have the nail here, and I'm going to apply it. As you guys can see, again, I did my nails already. There's a bubble right there. I apologize about that. And there's a bubble right there. So that's what I mean when I say bubbles. You make sure that, or air pockets. You don't want to have air pockets, okay? Alright, this is the nail gel glue that you have to cure, okay? So when you apply it to the well of the nail here, I believe that's what they call it, the well. And you don't want to apply that much because this is kind of thick. It's kind of viscous or what have you. And I'll show you the viscosity of it when in a little bit another clip, but you will see. But as you see, I'm gonna apply it onto the nail, and you have to hold it, and as you're holding it, you have to bring it to the UV light. Now the way my UV light is set up, as you guys can see, I put a little bit too much, so I show my mistakes. Of course, you're not supposed to do this. This is wrong. Yeah, this is very wrong. But you're supposed to hold it, okay? And I had to, you know, wipe stuff down and everything else, so don't use this much, and I'm learning from my experiences. So yeah. So you're basically going to hold it, and you're going to bring it to the UV light and put it under there for 60 seconds. Now the way my UV light is set up is kind of hard to put my hand and hold it. So that's what you have to do. So what I recommend and what I suggest, because this is all I had at the moment, is that you get a little UV lamp that's like an individual, because it's going to be tedious. You're going to have to do this with every nail. Okay, you can't put it on. It's not like glue. You put it on, let it sit for 30 seconds, and no, you need a UV light with this. So when you press it down, you have to press it and hold it and put it under the light for 60 seconds. Okay, some people say 30 seconds, but just to be on the safe side, put 60 seconds. Okay, depending upon the gel, the gel polish that you get, or what have you. Not gel polish, I'm sorry, the nail gel to do this process. I'm sorry. But anyway, so basically I do have a smaller UV lamp that will probably be a little bit better for me to maneuver, so I will be using that again. And I will be doing a review on the Ecbasket. I'm not going to say anything right now. Just know that, yeah, it's going to be very interesting. But anyway, so yeah, so this is my first time using this and doing basically, you know, putting it under a lamp and doing that. So once again, this is tedious, and you're going to have to do that. So I don't want to talk through the whole video. I will be back, and as you guys will see, you'll see me placing it on, and make sure you don't get any air pockets or any air bubbles or anything. You're going to have to hold it until you get to the UV light, okay, and hold it under there for 60 seconds as you're pressing onto the nail. Okay, that's what you want to do. Again, it sounds very tedious, but this is what has to happen. Okay, all right, okay. All right, so that's basically it about that. So this is what this hand is looking like, and then I will be doing that nail. So I'll let you guys enjoy the music while I continue on to put these nails on. Okay, all right, so I'll be back, you guys. Okay, and I'm back. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already buffed those nails already prior to, but I'm just going to show you how I'm shaping it. This is where you shape your nails, you buff it out and stuff like that. I highly recommend that you buff the nail base of the nail, because you want to make sure that the gel polish adheres and make sure that it stays on for a while. So that's why I am buffing it, and I'm shaping it to make the nails more narrow. You don't have to shape it, but if you want to go ahead and cut, file down, this is the time where you do it prior to putting on your gel polish. And here I am using my portable nail thingy here, and I do have another one, but it's not working at the moment. Well, it's working, but it's hard for me to like put the drill head on it, so it's like so I might have to buy another one. I really like that one. That's more stronger than this little portable one that I purchased from Dollar General, but at any rate, I digress. So yeah, so anyway, so this is what it is. I'm applying the nail polish and things of that sort, as you guys can see, and I will be doing cleanup after, so don't worry about it. So you know, whatever. So yeah, with the gel polish, is easier to clean up because it's not gonna stick or whatever like that. You could just, you know, get it right then and there. That's with any nail polish, but with gel it's a little bit different, because you could still kind of get it off after the fact, after you done cured it and stuff like that. You could kind of peel it off, you know, the sides or what have you. So yeah, but anyway, and it's also a part where I'm going to show you my mistake about doing marble, and I should have done marble the way I usually do it, like onto the nail, but I went on ahead and did something, and I like to show you guys my mistakes like I always say, and I didn't like the way I did that, so I was just like, ugh, you know, so it's okay, here we go right here, the mistake. Okay, all right, I thought I was doing something right. Oh, okay, but it's okay, you know, we got to show the mistakes. Okay, we just know for next time that I could just do the marble right on my finger, and I will do the marble the next time I do my nails. I'll probably do my nails either today or I don't know, but anyway, yeah. So yeah, so this is a little mistake here, but that's it. I don't want to talk you guys head off. I know I sound congested again. I will tell y'all about that later, but that's just basically it about that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I will be doing a review on the Ecbasket. Be on the lookout for that. I will also review, I do have another UV light that's a mini one, so I will be using that, and I will give you guys a review on that and let you guys know how that is going. And I am done, and that's just basically it about that, y'all. All right, and I am out of here. So everyone have a blessed day when watching this. Be safe. Thank you guys for watching so much. And and as you guys know, with UV light, well, when every layer that you put, you have to cure. Every layer that you apply to your nail, you have to cure it. I did a base, I buffed my nails, base coat, a layer of polish, I buffed it, base coat, cure, layer, cure, layer, cure. Even when I did the nail design, I cured it as well. So any type of thing, you're always curing. Okay, all right. So have any more questions, let me know. And if you want more videos like this, please hit the like and the thumbs up, the like, same thing. Okay, all right. And the description box for all the details for the nails, and then the links and stuff like that if you guys want to go purchase some. And that's just basically it about that. I know I talked through the whole video. I said I wasn't sorry, not too much, but I didn't talk that much. Okay, so whatever. Click the X or hit mute. I don't know. But I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful, blessed day. But stay watching. Have any questions, comments, they're watching. Peace. Bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say